Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Tech and Web.
Ready to elevate your content and capture the world like never before? In 2025, DJI has taken drone technology to the next level, with insane camera quality, smarter flight features, and unmatched portability. Whether you're a first-time flyer, a travel vlogger, or a pro filmmaker, there's a perfect DJI drone waiting for you. In this video, we're diving into the best DJI drones of 2025. From the ultra-light Mini 4 Pro to the cinematic beast Mavic 4 Pro. Stick around, because by the end, you'll know exactly which drone fits your style and where to grab the best deal today. Number 1, DJI Flip RC N3. Meet the game-changing DJI Flip, your ultimate pocket-sized drone with big league performance. We're talking buttery smooth 4K UHD footage, a 3-axis gimbal for cinematic stability, and insane 13 kilometers video transmission, all packed into a drone that weighs less than your smartphone. No license needed. Just palm, take off, and fly. Whether you're capturing epic travel moments, creating content for socials, or flying for fun, the DJI Flip is your go-to gear in 2025. Stick with us as we break down why this drone is blowing up, and why it might be the smartest drone purchase you'll make this year. Number 2, DJI Mini 4 Pro, DJI RC 2. Looking for a drone that's ultra-light, beginner-friendly, and packed with pro-level features? Say hello to the DJI Mini 4 Pro, your new go-to flying camera in 2025. Weighing just under 249 grams, this little powerhouse delivers stunning 4K video, up to 34 minutes of flight time, and a jaw-dropping 20-kilometer video transmission range. Plus, with full 360D obstacle sensing and intelligent flight modes, it's never been easier, or safer, to fly like a pro. In this video, we're diving into why the Mini 4 Pro is the ultimate drone for creators, travelers, and first-time flyers alike. Let's take to the skies. Number 3, DJI Neo. No controller? No problem. Meet the DJI Neo, the smart, ultralight drone that's built to fly with you, not just for you. Weighing only 135 grams, this pocket-sized powerhouse features a stunning 4K UHD camera, palm takeoff, built-in propeller guards, and intelligent flight that tracks your every move. Whether you're biking, hiking, or just capturing everyday adventures, the DJI Neo follows you effortlessly with subject tracking and quick shots, no remote needed. In this video, we're breaking down why the DJI Neo is the perfect drone for creators on the go, and why it might be your new favorite flying camera in 2025. Number 4, DJI Mavic 3 Pro. Ready to take your aerial filmmaking to the next level? Introducing the DJI Mavic 3 Pro Fly More Combo, a drone built for serious creators and professionals. Equipped with a legendary 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad camera, triple lens system, and the ultra-bright DJI RC Pro controller, this beast delivers cinematic 4K quality in every shot. With 3 intelligent batteries, a charging hub, and full FAA remote ID compliance, you're not just flying, you're unlocking a full production studio in the sky. In this video, we'll show you why the Mavic 3 Pro is the gold standard for aerial content in 2025, and how it can transform the way you create. Number 5, DJI Avata 2. Strap in and experience flight like never before with the DJI Avata 2, the FPV drone that puts you in the pilot's seat. This beast shoots stunning 4K footage, flips and rolls on command, and comes ready for action with built-in propeller guards and a sleek, crash-resistant design. Whether you're chasing adrenaline or creating immersive POV content, the Avata 2 delivers an unmatched first-person flying experience. In this video, we're diving into why this FPV drone is a must-have for thrill seekers, creators, and anyone ready to fly like a pro, right out of the box.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.